You know what time it is? I'm ready to be born, ready. One, check it. Now, my goodness, I'm from Jai Pabre. We'll be to Canada, New Biddy Cross today. Bogasi baby, and time can couldn't come over when someone on the Kodaya phone today. What a Ghana, Pama Diga Nabusika, Niyabedi Way, Nakoda, who will be da. Babugasi can not be a Quadivisa, Upesabu to Pine Medica Quabedequa. A foot once such a day, Panacosoke, a baby for the same name Bidana Mope. We are Jumajiwa Chia Pepe, General, Camp Sakadia boy. What is America? Mona Mubu, New York. A Juma P. who are with the anti-drone off. Abudo Chile to me, my was off for no more George. Or Pesebo Dicana James so short. Or Big Alembre was a Kuro Dross. I'm a new Hunoka, where you get your fine forts. Wapura with a gun and I will be a Suku, Matigo Fuafa, who said my manager. Now would you be mass opera? I was so home. He said, we need a bida. Then, some of the holidays. Now my best figure, and Minty will be a case. Money have to make, money have to make. Me pretty fools and dollar sign. They want them a free. They want like me to see. Girl, if you make me free. Me not empty, me not empty. They want free. They want like me to see. Girl, if you make me free. They flow like a stream.
Me a run after the money like Usain Bolt. Whether by flight or boat, me want reach a Switzerland. And then the money print and stack up in a 40-foot load. Yeah, hear me? Hey, Jupiter, you check pan the dealer yet. Fish was said they turn load of money set. Fresh dollar bill, me the girl them lips wet. For the money all out, we not fret. You don't know my mouth to feel. Another baby off for free. Now we don't have currency.
Say I'm a real bad man like the now. But pay the money back by tomorrow. But I say get them in the kind of them no one no drama. But the white them see the girl and them know she hotter. Wicked belly button, body soft like a see girl walk on the street and she not get off the foot. Boy say they better wait for the girl to come again. But the girl got a ring cause the girl a dread. Boy say they better wait for the girl to come again. But the girl too dread. So the boy say
this be for my peeps. I hear say pay the if you want peeps. You know the see, do your homework, homie. Ask about me. I get cause I Harry degree and I really got it for free. Dr. Duncan, I beg, tell them who I be. Oh, yes. You know, be artists wanna be acting like rap MCs. You know rap? I beg rap, make we see. These days, class 1 rappers, they claim say them open new chapters. Them be the hardest, them be the baddest, them be the this, be the that, be the subject. Them be the talk of the town, be the target. Bratem and Abeshe, you be the wackest. You be the odd ones labeled in brackets. You be the gigolo, left in jackets. You be the ones with a spit on your caskets. You be the fake, you be the faggots. You be the Babylon, born by rascals. You be the enemy, real backstabbers. So then it be jealousy behind the laughters. We be loyalty over greener pastures. But still our success be the brightest. If you don't refuse to be broke, arise and put on your lighters. We get venom like vipers. And my past be your future. See me, see status. With my clusters, claiming them rappers. I'm from the projects that scare your masters. You heard the projects that scare your fathers. I mean the projects that scare the waters. Who be you? We be real shotters. Here comes another one.
Awesome.
Someone that's out there like to be.
Come wine, pon the ting, pon the ting, pon the ting. Bad girl, come sit down, pon the ting, pon the ting, pon the ting. Bad girl, come here, give me some Becky. Chat, you go kill me, Charlie. Bad girl, come here, give me some Becky. Chat, you go kill me, Charlie.
I imagine I would share on a minimum life. Uncradin won't pass about van traumatized. I hit you in the morning, hit you the same in the night. When you go so I be catching, making no 10 on the light. 69.96, I bet you can love it. Give it to me, make you wake up in Bugatti. Starting from the bed, now we share in the lobby. Sometimes you make me wanna tattoo your name on my body. Put it on me, just put it on me, cause I'm loving it. All the things I wanna do, I can only imagine it. It be only me, nobody else stopping it. It's me, myself, and I said, girl, you know what time it is. We take it from the floor, all the way to the sofa. You forgive me some more, you know that I'm a soldier. We be breaking the laws, that means I'm gonna hold you. I know we'll stop until it's over.
Bad girl, come wine, pon the ting, pon the ting, pon the ting. Bad girl, come sit down, pon the ting, pon thing.
So baby, make you wine up. I wonder what you they give to me. Where you they make you they bring me. So baby, make you wine up. No what you make anymore. No whistle money you mama. So make you wine up for me. Me tell about polish no cherry honey. No what you make anymore. No whistle money you mama. So make you wine up for me. Me tell about polish no cherry. Le tomo la mochi yo suomone like be on me. Che quantero per lei mi che bononi caffè. No wapa che manya mano mame. Cause I no go feel the wait to see our wedding day. My baby. Mi che bononi caffè. I no go feel to wait to see our wedding day. Mi che bononi caffè. Okay. I wonder what you they give to me. Where you they make you they be me. When you any work aside for me. So baby make you wine up for me. I wonder what you they give to me. Where you they make you they be me. When you any work aside for me. So baby make you wine up for me. No what you make anymore. No so money you mama. So make you wine up for me. Me never got polish no cherry.
Playboy, you know we had to do this. Let's get him. Okay, can't get no better. Shorty so cool, feel the change in the weather. Hot like leather, fresh, smooth, soft like leather. Before I met you, I thought Beyonce was the diva. Believe me, girl, you're way too hotter. Shorty so fly, take me high like sativa. Pretty mama cedar, would you be my lover? Hell is empty, the devil's in here. Cute face, slim waist, homebreaker in the rear. Me and you together make the perfect pair. Call it true black beauty, beyond compare. So good looking, make her even more hype. Food in the kitchen.
Those small fights we for do that short. But it's exactly what even makes me miss you more. Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with expressing how I feel. You don't know what's wrong, especially how I feel. Although your silence gets you walk on me cheap phone. You know you're the reason I'ma sing this song. You got me singing like you, me, K-I-S-S-I-N-G, now you, me. In the quanky to a dear, in no need, now you, me. F-U-C-K-I-N-G, now. Maybe we should make up. We don't have to break up, oh no. I sent it, yeah, now I am a ting-ting. Ain't kinda saying crime, but what am I saying?
People do a lot of best cause we feel comfortable. Sing to the witchy quarter plan and sweeping. Mama rap up us to summer dancing and uncle. Must be put a little thing on table. Studio for studio, me run for hustle. To me respectful and to me humble. Everything sees and said, yeah.
Nothing you not do for fear. No need no ways to say. When I'm on a kind of blow,
I keep my head above the sky.
Rapping for my brethren and streams. I keep my head above the sky. Singing for the whole wide world. I keep my head above the sky. Rapping for my brethren and streams.
Get 'em, make her do 'em like we they do 'em for TV. My granny y'all crisp, Riri. Marijuana make bean out of my jagger, my cabana, my don't come here, but slip shady. I a car lead, all I do is ring, ring. Shake a coca bling, bling, down your ring, ring. All the boys must be don't live on a ving, ving. Tell them all zing, zing, I'm a little king.
Remember that we're not easy at all. Been through the bad and the ugly and all. Times that rough and wicked, yes, all. But we keep it up now.
Get 'em, kuji kukwana na dungo. Na mana dungo, megaphone crown of inonjo. Necklace stone boy, we run the city, titty. Fuck off your mother, bad no giddy giddy.
Above the skies. Singing for the whole wide world. I keep my head above the skies. Rapping for my brethren and sisters.
meditate above any form of wickedness. And we live it here. Musical vibes to the youth. Man, educate and propagate device every other day. The one and them, what is? Keep it till the sun don't go down. What is? Shut on we head to see a crown. What is? All of them run for taco. What is? It's on now you going in my head. Above the sky. Singing for the whole wide world. I'll keep my head. They call me ladies man, aka replay. Ladies love no swag, put me back on replay. Number one lover boy, they like it my way. My girl know the fear cause I'm amazing. Everywhere I go, I hear them say, check my nigga in the stereo. You hear them say, make you know fear, oh oh my baby. Cause there's one thing I got to say. I share a person. You're my number one. You be my number one. Oh, darling. You're my number one. You're my number one. You be my number one. Oh, darling. Girl, I know God you deny you. And you know I can't live without you. Everybody knows that I love you. I can't wait to marry you. I need you. Hey, girl, I love you. I love you. I need you. Girl, I need you. Yeah, yeah. You're my number one. You're my number one. You be my number one. Oh, darling. Cause what I'm feeling is love and it's coming from above. We ain't my kume mubang tough. Listen to Kanye will be saying what I said me see your bushy. Tell me, how you feeling my one and only? Me kwame tell my nigga nya wakala to set trophy. I swear when I'm a dayan ka we citizen coffee. And I can't wait till the day I go kiss my bride. Wow, like Bowley. Fitting that could get from his cheaper. Would you win the competition crow when to chill up? Who say me jam my phone and none of my scores in your pickup? Cause I got nothing to hide. Uncle me baby, so big up. Check my best and no pampana. The woman's a minute by my fancy for so train me Hannah so I'm family home. I come the last one Ghana. Come in the papa my young girl and got a bugger.
Have a blessed day.
They call me ladies man, aka replay. Ladies love no swag, put me back on replay. Number one lover boy, they like it my way. My girl know the fear cause I'm amazing. Everywhere I go, I hear them say, check my nigga in the stereo. You hear them say, make you know fear, oh my baby. Cause there's one thing I got to say. I share a person.
Right, so at a point, I was writing the lyrics of every song I like. And this is one of the songs I used to sing back to back. Alright, so music from Chemfe. It features D Crime on this one because this one number one. And now he's a choir master, he's a pastor as well. Alright, so beautiful Friday morning here on 93.3 of 35 minutes after 10. We're still tuning to Adwuma right here on the best frequency. And yes, indeed, this is the best frequency.
I can't wait to marry you. I need you. Hey, girl, I love you. I love you. I need you. Girl, I need you. We are my number one. Hey, we are my number one. We are my number one. Oh, girl, my kume mushika. Memories, Charlie.
my mind. Cause what I'm feeling is love and it's coming from above. Oh yeah, my kume mo bonto. Hey, that's the kind of mystery. Wakaza misi woshi. Hey, are you feeling my one and only? Me kwame tell my nigga nya wakala to set your feet. I said when I'm your dad.
So this is the Big Friday here on 93.3 of Wait me follow me live on Facebook and Hinkai 93.3 on Facebook. Our first message is 0594841044. Good morning once again. My name is Jenny Me Champon Boat in the Cosmos. Over to me from Jibruz Mani. Wait my friend Kwabena Costy. I brought upon the perfect gentleman. Right, a show produced by Emmanuel Jumo, DJ Shabo, and on Hineba on social media. Alright, so we are here from now to 12 p.m. and then show will be a bit kasakakra. What's the name of 2 interviews here on the show? It's a man come here. My bro motivational message. Young crash has a brand of pebia. The brand of pebia no and so bro. Alright, it's my cast Yanko Ponya the much now. Yanko Pong Aya the much now. Something big will happen. And you're gonna go on. But we are self and baby are teaching football lovers. I'm in Chame taxi drivers answer. Brad David, Apostle, Raouf, Stagawan, Obama, Tanko, Ricardo, Oba Tampa Jonathan, Oba for Michael, Bright Weezy.
Tell me, are you feeling my one and only?
It's Yakopon Yadomotra, the Bessini,
and I can't wait till the day I go kiss my bride.
A real fat Champions League in the final about Yakopon Yadomotra. And in yes, you would want to, come and support your favorite team. Yeah, support your favorite team. So when you're coming, make sure you're rapping your favorite team, Jesse. Yakopon Yadomotra, and kind FM, you call Achimasani Online Sports, Miami Hills Pub, and Chieshim Ewoho. Obana with your favorite team, Jesse. Also, but the team, I'm a Real Madrid fan. I can't go for against Babu, Chelsea for any Bassa for any other. Hey, I hope so. Yeah, I'll take part in the predicting winning of Facebook Sports Quiz in the rap battle. Now, our friend 0256 238 0256 238 and I'll say, what to me, I'll be taking part. And I wouldn't say, quiet, so we are in us, I was shut them with me, baby. When I'm sad, we are rested them out to me, baby. Baby. Yeah, for Gianni, your palm matches, so I the jumps as well to us near there. Or home for our to me, but let's show compare Imbus Obama, make sure you once a year. And a boosty immune system because football, that's all about shouting, it's all about jumping, it's all about the whole lot of talkings near the Chenekasakasa. The patch of a boosty immune system now. Compare Imbus Obama, make sure police in your door. And a Poyaco Pebinum to say, your number one immune booster that helps your immune system to fight against incorrect hormones of disease. Malfunctions that affect the body. The patch also say I could drugstore be having a biato. Wait me after 0246 208 496 054 0710113.
Because I got nothing to hide.
Now, put the phones all sorted out near the ODI Electronics. Upebia Fabrefia. I saw to baby about TVs, fridges, gas cookers near the Bebrina. Oba Benebiato 0550 0550900600 Obefi Hanum Sisea Ubenya ODI Electronics in Yamani Binya Atom Nyanko Ponso Yadoma 2nd June I think 93.3 FM a brand new program I say friend of boiling issues Shasi Yanko Ponya Doma 2nd June Ebesi Yawada the Sands to Yawada Biana program from 8 to 10 p.m. and Yubrenkwa Yawada Bia Shan Sumayan say Shasi Yanko Ponya Doma 2nd June Amaje Bakladic Amaje Sabra now for Arabia Titwanope I want to ask your man with any infertility, typhoid, ulcer, syphilis, kidney problem gonorrhea near the Yina Shaboy Bufia only go no to Quanta Pie because Namia Fredo but you for the Sikaje. Yamia friend, what the boss and sign by Hunina. About I am moody about one showa. About your friend 0244877840 and 0205045665. I'm a dear back clinic watch more than Boabo. Quantum Pons Red Cross dancing up seats Evergreen Gas Village Station. Okohame Patrol Doctor for my being your pan. Let's follow so about train. Physiotherapy so cost. Oversee a massage. Yeah, that's from the members. Dr. Aisha in cover. Or we know some more to the number was so what you want. Yeah, I'm just say I ran come out to form a jail. Wait, see me a friend on face. What about Fia Babuania? 93.3 FM. Higher hand kind. Hey, you're touching, baby. Ooh, no kissing, baby. Baby.
In a dance party, this city's pretty lady. When she whining body, you make my head on go crazy. Come me back up the empress. Come me back up the empress. Follow me, I go make a baby.
The only girl when me once in my life.
Give me fever.
Girl make I feel too right.
Give me fever.
The only girl when me once in my life.
Give me fever.
Girl make I feel too right. Check, wreck. That's the one we just a match perfect. Nobody test, we are the best. Couple in the whole universe. She hard to fine like a diamond. And me, she love to ride. And so me take her high like a pilot. Then no man coulda make her fly up. She got all of the flex. Where every man need in a bed. Can't know say, make her the item. Say my long thing on high tech. The only girl when me once in my life.
Give me fever.
Why make her feel too right?
Give me fever. You're the girl you want in my life. You give me fever. So make us me come memories. I'm all Numbia. One shot that comedy in your base show.
She the belly dancer.
So this is D2 Shadow Wally that causes this one fever.
I want hit the bumper. She the one anaconda. She the one time under. Riding like Honda. Don't colon, don't give me. Nane, Gama, she done big and I jump. She be a fan, but she a la bomb. Then shake your tummy. Le coin in the bomb. In your leg, they show me. Come on, yeah, you get me, no, I me, no, I go.
Mentoche.
Let me Congo, explique no collègue.
Fafajato. Hey, Zingologo. Ale, Zingologo.
Only one color.
One color. They give me fever. Right, now go point out the man. Kusiada way, Division 1 League match back over course watch more than sports studio now and then check tickets. You see energy near per se the tint nani avodo omunye hushe they say you 3 matches are game yeah you in the hands down is this year of course social media hashtag in the Kotukura as for premier.
We are the best.
Hashtag Kotukura as for premier. Then the match 3 tickets. Yeah, match 3 tickets. Wow, pesa ukosha match ni biwa yao dance post nyanko ponya dama Sunday.
No man coulda make a
man come baby stay here on the show. Match 3 tickets. Pesa ukosha match ni binkwa dia. Mimbusa question ya nemo ufra. Nam da choke ke. Mimbusa question ya. Me pesa mo be support keke, be support yai. Fada de bra ya be shinjama ya shimo mo meni ade o park no so me say ya be disturb you mo. Na referee nobody matches so we throw me was center create me team penalty.
Wine like
I do a BSP.
Shaggy make her the wonder.
Maybe by home every now much because now by the team and a boy home.
One time under, right?
That boy said the DH. It's big trouble corner near the Panati near coffee reference about no Saji. See a home. Yeah, home now today. All right, I call a daily dose of motivation so now face. Make and then I'm see my chat tickets. And then my chat tickets back on my for what person who share Kotukura House ne Nania FC. I bet the play team no match and on Yakoponya Doma Sunday or dance sports stadium no. No stay tuned to hear man flip you down there be say my chat 3 tickets. Na Endra no poku catch me say. Sisi I almost say match na be so Sunday no. Enkwala ne ma e free. Enkwala ene ma opoku ne catch me. Enkwala ne ma e free. Eti we dey oba ofra me fama me ma be man kwa. Eti be man wo kwa na wo dey o baby girl na dey eche. Eti oba se wo fra me fama. Eti ma me man kwa me nsa. Eti wo gi ticket na wo dey baby girl dey eche because matter say wo dey baby girl bi ba e free. Wọ́n sẹ́ máa sọ́dọ̀ mú tiẹ̀ máa agrọ́ ní ẹ̀dẹ̀ pa. I'm a captain, girlfriend say. Oh, real figure this year. Macho, yeah, macho. It's a man about to them. Obi ba macho, found you not to form, found you not to form. The best you just see, my oh, but upon boy, how I see what the a man fast this, and a Tawana Bobo, Tawana striker. No, I say, men can't, and then can radio. Share why would him coach Sally Kibia on? Coach Sally Kibia and Kobusa Massive on the chain. I may pan first Sally striker, me man striker, Sally King should go. Munko Busa Sally King. And then me first, and conform them, me both in America. I mean, kinda. Now, me sat in Charlie Angeles in school. Ah, Charlie. Mama can't send me. Me na me child evangelism. You check hectare for song 660. Me, I was the striker of the team. Me share 3 goals. And I'm a guy from Francis. I share 2. And Obed share 1. Yes, a hectare 60. Some of what I was a striker. Now I'm a me Saliki striker. Color Studios and Negative Embroidery as well. I brought daily dose of motivations and opinion show on crying out for young to watch us here on 93.3 FM. Color Studio as well. What's it, bra? Now on chow passport picture papa. And I'll say, yeah, picture framing so any idea. And to be do birthday, obey ya from engagement to the porn one. If I tell what corner was sort of oh yeah, school crest embroidery, oh yeah, cap embroidery. They say a chair shami. Also, I show me the ego him come upon, but Facebook never share. But Facebook never share channel shame. Also, I show me the come upon. If you color studios and digital embroidery, or call up say you be my when they come upon. But who I don't know what for me share. We was say come na me channel. And you feel me see another any why. Hunye hunje about why ankasa about why am a channel kwan be show me the area the den why that egu ani ma febo ko pu say Jesus Christ beba o de ase e be pacho ko na kala se nyama kwa so pe Kwabena Costy de ni bi be se o de bra Facebook ake be share share me bra Facebook na be share me. Right, mommy, happy birthday, Cassie, and come sister Abba, and they your birthday, way free. Or one henny, a joy champoma of Ophir FM. Or say happy birthday, Cassie, and come sister Abba. Now, young call your daily dose of motivations, and so young call and cry, shall seven so. And I don't pay new power, wash and cry, Oprah Winfrey, the legendary Oprah Winfrey. Well, see, I believe that the only courage anybody ever needs is the courage to follow your own dreams. I believe that the only coverage anybody needs is the courage to follow your own dreams. I mean, repeat it. This is from Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey said, I believe that the only courage anybody ever needs is the courage to follow your own dreams. Akukudro bia wose nipa bi anya na se nipa bia ade a wo hia ya akukudro a wodi bedi wo botai bi echi tieniye pa akukudro a wodi bedi obotai echi emu bia waseti wo woni so no wo hia akukudro bi de echire wo hia akukudro bia wo be ka se me de sei na mpese me ye me de wey na mpese me ye. You see, say in the next 5 years, I want to be this. In the next 6 years, this is where I want to be. Sa akukudro no ene wo se nipa bia ehia. Ana se nipa bia onya. Eti asema Oprah Winfrey kan se. Ono de ogidi se akukudro anke wo se nipa bia enya wabrabo yin mu. Eya akukudro a wodi bedi obotaye echi. Eya kukudru a wodi bedi o dreams bi echi. Eya kukudru a wodi betu anamo wo nyoma bi ho. Enti wey eya de a Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey asemo kan enu ani. E wo hye wonya kukudru a wodi bedi obota echi. Akukudru a wodi betu anamo, akukudru a wo betumi eda ye nyoma bako mienu bi. Ene trese. Uye bibi edi ama ho. This is from Oprah Winfrey. Also, I believe that the only courage anybody ever needs is the courage to follow your own dreams. So this is from Oprah Winfrey. And Abaya Shawn cry. I can't say much. The shop answer will be 2 hours. Once again, happy birthday and come on, Sister Abba. Sister Abba, happy birthday and come on, Winfrey. Owa hene Adwoa ichampoma say oba nso timi owa hene na oba de owa hema owa hewa azubo etino me friend sakrada me friend owa hene Adwoa ichampoma say me friend I send them Harriet, let me come baby simple. I just the pompe. What do you say? I'm saying, I read also, pa. I say, I read also, papa, and call for being soon at the no. Or call down government hospital and call for a more higher type for that your money in Kofor Ketwa. Miami Busame who said, when yes, he got told you and the papa di. Na inti so papa oba no mo de na your problem. Sometimes I am sure that think of phobia sasa. Enko photo dwane papa pa dwane a hu say me de dwane. Oda for isuo oba no no ma to nsuo bi akeke. Na fa dwane yare. Of course say chance dwane de odi ni papa, but nsuo no enye. E pa to temi ye pa. Sisi e dwane a obedi no e hu hia me. Na nsuo a oba no so hu hia me pa. It is over the Musua. The patrol a standard mineral water. Standard mineral water. Over the Musua. No a standard mineral water. Oko a shop or provision shop or and I say Mamuchima or Kwanwa. Because a pure terrain, that's when you standard amount of patrol. Another man, a Jusica. For what the man, Andra may come on say, a bit more than 30 pesos. And the area nebu wedding. Mr. Standard mineral water 30 pesos a pack. No what no one more guardia so. Come on. Na amount who swire den apomodema papa. And then the pebia power train. If I told men compare you sure. Obanuma we now fe ya rebebre. Then the one amount chana mana help about for you see I still honto. Into the theatre and the tinting in I say standard mineral water. Ope so took a tongue. Na so person no mudin komobia. Now din church mu further inquiries at chimney. I'll be fresh 0547 334358. 0245 666274 0547 334385 0547 334385 and 0245 666274. Standard mineral water me feel you. Mamin ko break him ra me ko ba. Me see and then me interviews me no ha me one funnest musician everything come on here on 93.3 FM. And I'm a chair a ticket in so got the career house and then any for match. Never check tickets. Me bus is here high 93.3. Stay tuned.
Admission. Akim State Senior High School. Yasha see yasan AJ afofro. One we JHS. Oko SHS. Ya bie ya pro ato ho. Ya courses ahodo. Ya business, general arts, home economics, visual arts, pure science and technical. Neti ya science so our boarding facilities. Ya special room ana enuania eye papa. Ya laboratory, visual arts studio, food lab. Ya science so our modern computer lab. Today now pay. So pasa utro remedials in swa. Ya doba function mu busum siampe. Now kotro wasina. Ube trying to compare. Ya what teachers for? Wamuni mo ade no mo chila ade a. Wamo ho etwa. Awofui. Ene ahwefo a momma antumi antwa wasi. Sane tie bia menwe ho fanebra. Ya bema na twa ne compare. Na kane hu se ye gusu a ya je afofra. Wamo eba from why. Akim State Senior High School. Ya wa Akim oda ya ben Akim oda ohima na himfie ne pe. Ubetimi afra ye 0556 409040 anase 0207 163787. Akim State Senior High School, the greatest in the East. Akim State Senior High School, hard learning is a passing.
Say open mobile phone papa and kwato a usudia. Then one big sound phones. Show original phones bia away say. Ani bonus so free papa. Say open Infinix phones, Samsung phone, Tecno, Motorola, Nokia phones, iPhones biano. Pomodi na bra say na bra be to be cotton. Afa ye swapping. So mobile phone open so se sound near mouth for franc. Upape ye bet to be mouth for fraud way you. Afa ye laptops inabi or ye sound to laptops. Afa mobile phone so nya how bia. Pomodi na fa big sound phones. Na fa ye momo de repair mount. On the fuck I say to four phones no so ni bo free papa and laptops ye repair any sound tone. Baby I be we chikwano. E of JB abrosa kese nu. E boga fresh or who bet to me afre 0249 653780 and 0248722049. Big sound phone, mobile phone and laptops papa.
What else? I be there one of the figures.
Classic ointment aye bio kromu hafo pa na dodo no a ehunama toso fefefe sei.
Classic ointment said you see enam no se ka se ye ka ho asoma ka de ba chi ni nwie ye kan fo momanfo no won mo ya so mbre ko pa bie die se ekro na gu wo mo a ekọ de na pimples ase nanim ekọ.
Classic ointment
de na eyam atoto no ho ama ekọ obi na propro ha no ekọ.
Ointment ne powerful pa.
Hwe ingredients ya wode ye classic ointment no ebi ne aloe vera, papaya, petroleum jelly, cassia alata. Unam na ni baby a ekro pimples eyam ana propro aguo no. Eno an se anopane nwumre bia wadware wie no. Wo de classic ointment no bi ebesere mu. Na be hu se yes, ointment papa bi o baby.
Me de classic ointment esiesie me ho ama agye me se enye nanso pharmacies, chemical ne herbal shops.
An titru wo hene na herbal koforidua. Frisia ba ko and sons Kumasi Adum. Ore pass herbal okaisi akra. Netufo so afre 0544 791 600 and 0500 799 833.
FDA agye edwedi nkrato yato.
Wuka tu wisi. Uni ana uswe. Winji mutututu.
Ya brepe yo
enye ize.
But thank God unia.
Sisi adie all is
over. Legacy Engineering Services. Amaye Kasababa to order. The masters nankasa in all automobile works.
Kahu problem. Pia.
In fact, every corner for your motor inside where you develop fault. Legacy Engineering Services. Go put your car to scan, scrutinize, and catch the problem. And Sanoma service car no dito. Some be engine overhauling in part. Mau guarantee answer.
Omi ye gudo e ban engine tune up.
Can engine mu nya wode. E twitwi mu anase sound nya papa.
Omo be ye ne kama.
Car see dwuma bia omo ye ne perfecto. Some service wo ABS system. Wo brakes in fail with that. Electronic power steering system. Omo ye good. Jack so gearbox no problem about one. Legacy Engineering Services e dwuma pa no.
Enti company cars akese ne nketwa nyina. Omo service.
Omo sansu training apprentice for to be professionals. Omo the 3 years training with ye. How are you the computer? Asia mechanic juma professional way. Akim order audit service chire wa ube huomo. Ananso frɛ 0244 023 410 or 020 190 3411.
Legacy Engineering Services.
Quality cars needs quality services.
Minuanum akuafo yema mo ani adwuma o enchei efri eye Jakwako Enterprise eko ede makuafo nyina Jakwako se we kofa bai enti wode manual seed planter machine ede free amanane ede aba enti wana wo ye kuadwuma bi te se enkate adua emo enkruma bro kakumba anase aduade de bi adua ne fombia manual seed planter machine ebedua de ama wa ahohare so kra e wosima koto bi entem na bebo ho ban so efri sisiade efise enhu hia so bekuntum ansan wadua sa aduade de okuani a wo ye emufuo na adu pepenso apesa woten Jakwako se brand chain na oma motorized rice harvester ne faten asundwem kura na negisem kura no se wasa wo net ho a obetimi dia bo emo no ho ban se de beye enoma anasa aboa bia entimi ense eye amufuo na waye no Jakwako asan awoso ho biem entimi nuanom a moye kokofu na mo pese kokoo no eso eye pi na aba no so eye akese no bra beje koko set buffalo super asita star gali yara sasira kokoo aduane NPK fertilizer banjo 40 eni elua hodo pi na eba beboa ayi akate ate Koko anonom afiho na nupa nyina so Koko Research Institute of Ghana ene Ghana Cocoa Board age atum bra na ene ebidi kasobom a efa planting for food and jobs ho na mfasode pii ewo yesan ewo manual fertilizer applicator machine so ewo ho entiminu anoma amopesa mde fertilizer egu mu fudie asiam de yem dwumadie beje manual fertilizer applicator machine na mfasode ewo mbebre Jakwako Enterprise bra na wo maun aba yedi dua eye entos moko jene ene ahodo bebrebe yesan wo asekan wo ho afide kafo Wellington boot ene fide ahodo bebrebe Hwehwe Jakwako Enterprise wo new edibiase ubehu ye wo Ghana Commercial Bank edan no echi mechere first bar stop adanse fum so ye wo Islamic Mosque ehwa asin dan man so ye opposite agric office adanse asopan so ye wo ademre kwan so abra de woni chire eye oboase no aye opposite Presby Church kaso anso ubehu ye new market road mechere eye Coca-Cola ene nkasa wo 0243 335525 ana 0272736003
Baya.
Yes, Kwame.
Me say, I know big man capsules are the man. My boy, you man passwama. Me yira come for me say.
Hey, big man capsules, no. What do you do with 3 points on puzzle?
Enya grow ya.
Send me catch you. Big man capsules, dear, a year do pa. A year memma who you may ye titru. And the bema why you mirror one puzzle. Bear man whom come was and in any sissy ya. Nakai say do pay a year fine care limited. Omodik bedema garlic mixture. And the big man capsule. A big gaso. Nakai say bedema garlic mixture no ye do po. A drono stroke ya dear. Diabetes, pressure. Obi a mo gentleman didn't work for sunny ye. The wire titri. Near when ya come ya dear. Near the bush no. Ye ni tirimoshino. And near was so person a suit here. Bedema garlic mixture no best sunny and when you now man. Bedema garlic mixture. Aye the only mixture. Prakasa wom. Obenya nroyi biato. Ewo pharmacies, drugstore, any herbal shops in na.
Achim order ubenya biwo. Order pharmacy. Nanachumesi drugstore. Kenop pharmacy. Ofaya drugstore. Amoafo drugstore. Walgreen pharmacy. Achim Swedro, Nanachumesi Herbal Shop.
To phone fra 0248 288 788. With the garlic mixture. Any big man capsules. Edu panonie.
Left, right, hey. When we send Sanya police in Yadro, Imbusaba Mesa Abama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and young offense were back.
And what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yamusa Maya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system, Nabribia, Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a man for the Dronwa, Nedi Imbusaba Mesa, Dronwa dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a whole car. No, Yamwa suing Yano, a boy who buy every home. And now Mumpa, Omuan Yarwana Dada, no monum doctor in Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Mama who are deep in tea. Ya Omuntim Pose, Yaria Esomo, Imbusaba Mesa, and walk Kashi, and you are Maymu Babia, your toe in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway, FDA, Asayasi.
Hello. Wofa, Mekot Health College, Auma Miko Yenti, and me a medicine counter assistant, many a GA. Ampo, Sawu Pesa, we a medicine counter assistant, dear. And ya nam Mekot Health College, Anna Obeko, we a medicine counter assistant certificate program. Ya reschool in Suma 1 year, where we MCA. Nanswani Pharmacy Council certificate. Na dia ma one dance on the say. Pharmacy Council Ghana, Aji 1 year tum. Na ya ma free IT training so eka home. Admission gusua ekoso. Senka forms, there were 2 campuses. Aguna Swedro, ya were Dakwan so, Kaswanso, ya were Congo Villa, our new market body as a quanoso. Ubenya forms in be our campus, me and Yina. And I say, Mekot pharmacy shops are Hudwa, our Ghana for 9 Bia. Near 2 campuses in Yina, so our hostel were hot, and 2 ni how cry. Nasa Wope in Rupanso dia, and Yanako Mekot pharmacy, and Hona Ubenya Nupa, Ghana, and Yamanone, Fre 0592 522 111. Ana 0244 640975. Mekot Health College, yes say health knowledge is life's wealth.
Ago Odane important way. Wonya so na me won sempe de mamo. 2A baby diapers na munim eto de bom mano. Say die yasesa ne di abeye next baby diapers. Na wonim yasa hyemu kena ama ekọ nanim jie. Esan cotton dodo ade awramunti no. Wo the next baby diapers ebo wo ba. Ojo so sign to home for. Ensan se bia entingu ne to ho. Won sum fan hawo. Oba ne yeso comfortable. Etuko chroma sensuo. Cotton next baby diapers. Fabe boba no. Na no ho beto ni say form. Obenya next baby diapers. Ewo be bia. Opedodo afre 0500 285000. Na mo sensuo. Ema mubu monsanso. Ye wo next sanitary pad. Ede mamo. Next baby diapers. Ema mo fra hot so mo. Hey. FDA. After sa edwede nkrato imo. Ajia to mu say eje.
I can't watch me fail. So anytime you play, remember my name, remember you know what traveler. SCDJ Group of Companies, Apa, so about the boy. Na ye niema bebre. Ye wo, Adum Sewa Kitchen, Sibia wu ye event be now penuania. Ye abrofo de, Sanso na Ghana nuane. Ni nanu ye, enya nunku. Sibia wu ye event, na open crofo a ombe plan event no ediama wo. Ye wo Adum Sewa event planning. Ye betena se, na ye ho hwehwe kama ediama wo. Enya nunku. We are printing, photocopy, ICT training. The patro book be na waye. Now pese book no ye cover chire edema wa. Poster be na pese we. Instant passport. Ni na ye. Online registration. Ye betumi ayama wo. And many more. We your birthday. Now pe photo shoot. And I say engagement. Our dear bibia we bia. A ye no video ni na edema. Event bia we bia. SCDJ Group of Companies. And ye betumi ay. Ye sign so our sound system wa. Edidi SCDJ Group of Companies. Ye wo abuabu bompaye. Ubetimi afraye 0241 298773 anase 0256587895 SCDJ Group of Companies. Ya bamobia.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
That's a film. It's MP. Then I'm a person that can't think.
If you do that.
Lady kind. This Munti. Listen, T. Papa be a friend of Kwame Pese with the coin. Now, for Kwame Daya Swan, they say the big will be a Pia Bifi and our Pibi is dying. Now, for 4 on your Bobra, watch him up go. You move from the kind. One in the year, my Julian in the back is a thing. I bet not come to 4 a pine. And also so more high. The year the coupons to go as fast one is up. Now, also make rent to cry saying, go bet ye and the basso control paper. Now, so she and a woman basso crown and the bufu was a yammy bit yabuka. Not I get the visa until was so die crown never came. I dare ya fat. So, also when I was there, was shall see a German embassy where you bounce in the 10. Belgium cost no of a city weekend. Ya would the house and the family and the friends who be to me man in TV Mushen sent. Application forms go our failing a couple more and Kawachida were no on the book. Embassy be I will move paint you win anymore. The Yamana Kunjani juice ass of him, Papa Banamu the Mobo. As the sea, there was when you lumi crop. Who couldn't fear no more pioneer apostle. The passport stamp, I must say, chop. Sisia the Nimo Pro. When you are in T90 ma pro. You better gentle board than I could Dubai. And yes, I will be one son of Fena Prontino. Kofa Kwame Apre. One can say, Kras Amatia see when you see Biana, we would the idea and what the Befas around far, what the Befas here. Mr. Kofa Kwame Apre. One can say, Kras Amatia see when you see Biana, we would the idea and what the Befas around far, what the Befas here. Spend it all of my
Have a blessed day.
My baby.
Emra mini tekumpo no dome. Mini kobompo no dome. Emra mini famous mpo no dome. No be any means so no dome. Then I know the seat up. She buy me ku chop. She buy me ka wear. She provide me ku shop. He make her get vim way. Shower me with love. Then nights another 4 she way pick me up. Mama me self said music deceiving me. My ex said get a job but she's leaving me. You are the one I talk to every evening. Before we were self love you believed in me and that's why I no go leave that. Spend my life with you, Mama Sita. I'm out for Casa, ain't here relax it to a boss, a crying in the Sika.
JB, if I got $1 million, I will spend it all on my baby. Money, if I got $1 billion, I will spend it all on my baby. If I got plenty money, I go spend it all on my baby. If I got plenty money, I go spend it all on my baby. I'ma get watch out here. Baby, come.
Me say that junior eat. It's like weapon every street. Every top girl want it. Tap up on top me, I give them that one and name. Me say that junior eat. It's like weapon every street. Every top girl want it. I tap up on top me, I give them gas in the wall. That junior mad up. Inna the Gaza, inna the gully, it turn up. And I hands up thirst, them a give me thumb up. Head concussion, guantal Russian. I gonna me bun man a African boy. You see me and the girl them na bother ask why. And me them a rate me na lack up no blind. Now them fi come get a ride. The rhythm a bad, no stop not easy. I go at and them make them get busy. Necessary evil can't refuse it.
Have a blessed day.
Me say that junior eat. It's like weapon every street. Every top girl want it.
I give them one another. I have a day, I down. Afro dancer, Papa video. I have a day, I down. Afro dancer, Papa. Right, so this one says, good morning, bro. Kwabena, how are you doing? I'm a fair part. Thanks for the motivational message. Keep it up. Greetings to Abena Mavis. A fair part. Is it my own a fair part? I don't know, my own a fair part. Party's golden scissors. And I don't know. If you are a mommy who Party's golden scissors. Hey. That's right, so 50 minutes after 11 here on 93.3 FM, AC DJ group of companies watching my Boabo Bompire. More Adom Sewa Kitchens, Adom Arakwa Secretariat Service, Adom Lens, Adom Sewa Sounds, and Adom Sewa Event Planning. And to be patrol, open any of their services, no contact on the boy, some of that form come a year. Over to me, friend 0241 298273 0241 0241 298273 and 0256 587895. SCDJ Group of Companies. Seahorse Engine Oil. Makacho, so can engine oil no. Obesa sana. Man compare remudi anibi. Pacho. We hear Seahorse Engine Oil. Seahorse Engine Oil. And this is a private car, which taxi, commercial car, heavy duty trucks. Pacho oil I obey you a Seahorse 15W40 and a 20W50. Makacho semi mecano. Mr. San oil a Seahorse 15W40 and we use 15W40 and I said 20W50. Ope aboboya and I said we saw aboboya pragia motonia there also the Seahorse Special 40. Over to me friend 0244 577 and 0240800007. Obenye biato. Legacy Engineering Service. I watch him down Chroma. Pacho. I did be a foul car who be a for corner and service a car needing from our car air condition Yajuma. Okay, Sabio, and number 1212 be Honoma. What the concrete about Joe Ajano. Legacy Soba, Kakrebi, near Joe Nadia, engine of our women, and our face so auto diagnosis in the idea. Pacho, they are very expert in American, Asian, and also European cars. You know, only problem crash. Oba, sort of out of power, electrical power, steering near the idea. If it's your car needs pound, my best service car come upon. You watch more than all the service that you are. What is service? Pray 0244023410 and 0201903411. My patrol brass is here. I am transforming your car. No, right here, then me say mama tickets. Mako mienza. It's all about the Division 1 League. Kotokura versus FC Nania. Match tickets. But hey, I have in the house organizers of Eastern Entrepreneurs Awards. My own Eva is here. This one, she wanted to pick some small fight with me, but Onangasaro on Akwaba, 24.
Yeah,
if you have a code here,
I'm not say.
Nakopando, Muya, my soul so dear. You never said to be Macassa. You have a code.
We have gone as well.
This is our second time meeting.
Sure.
Right, so Eastern Entrepreneur Awards. Nakoponya the much now. Finally, launching a basso. Right, so tell me more about it.
You're going to ladies first. So,
okay. Okay, you are.
Okay, nearly time. Make you out more phone. Right. My bones were basso Adwuma power.
That's it.
And I'm a manager Puzon so. Okay, Eastern Entrepreneurs Awards number watching launching is coming on. Right. Our Emmanuel Presby Hall, opposite to Mobile Hall, time near 2 p.m. We are inviting everybody to be present. Brabesha when you saw dear.
Right.
Branabe creative contact with other people. Yeah.
Right. It's yaba ochina nakopon yadoma Presby.
Yeah.
My sometimes I can Emmanuel Presby and Kofobi. You can mobile hold and simple.
Yeah.
Yes, into mobile home Presby no one or but I shall see at 2 p.m. Right. Okay. It's no man being obiba unexpected.
Okay, Nyambochna no. It's all about launching the program. And no a category is really yeah. So it's all about launching Eastern Entrepreneurs Awards and revealing the categories tomorrow. Yeah.
Right. So aside the launching, are we going to have fun? Like
yes, very. We have
music,
culture display and many more. And a red carpet and so on.
Oh wow! So, yeah. Not just this more like an executive show.
Yes, please.
Right.
Corporate
show. So if you are coming, I mean, is it? I mean, move before dress code. When I say Bibia executive, anything official, you can just
anything presentable.
Yeah. Right. That is the could grow crouch that. Mammy tear fruits. Now, so you unveiling, you categories no near there. And then you buy no, I think say now Voka says categories no was about
23.
Yeah. You did be a kahwana and the eternity.
Oh, so far no.
Sure. Okay. Unu obi din command obi aka chow say anka mu di we kahwan kebeboa and anka mu jiwe from but so far conversation be akoso sir.
Yeah, you any negative complaint so far.
Okay.
But then any suggestion is welcome. Yeah, if you are overcheery or you want spotted from afar. Say the way kahwan and kaibi it is highly welcome. Yeah.
Right. One category be a chimadrin. But I'm sure mas name.
Okay.
To say obi afi no share business as we won senka VJ say because be a new artist of the year and as a discovery of the year. I don't know say bibisa wo mu dem say
be
discovery of the year.
Discovery of the year.
Okay, so what about emerging entrepreneur of the year?
That one is Eastern Entrepreneur of the Year.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's outstanding, no?
It's mommy who the difference between the outstanding and then the Eastern Entrepreneur the category because we one man or a young entrepreneur I feel no share say and Oshana who he can't compete with the tops, the gurus. It's over feel say when they are there already. Okay. I mean, but since we are emerging and I say we are up and coming entrepreneur, young entrepreneur, we feel okay. So this is my sport. Maybe I will win. I don't know. To put some difference, kakra.
So when we come to Eastern Entrepreneurs Awards, Eastern Entrepreneur. The Eastern Entrepreneur, is more or less like Ejimeinibia will be another category. Yeah. So the outstanding is the overall. On say your creative art. Creative art you near or no our. So the outstanding entrepreneur of the year. On a big billboard amano. Yeah, in your made in Ghana category or your handiwork and so and your creative art, your brand of the year, your media house of the year. Category is not a dose. Fashion of the year, a whole lot of stuff.
Right, it's outstanding racing category. Someone might win creative arts award. Yeah. But say accumulative votes ni nani panon standing out. Or no be winner. Oh, name. That's what you're trying to say.
Yes, that is all.
Oh, okay.
And then you say be a vote in Koano. Say be obit me winning, obit me nominating who are 3 categories or 4 categories. They'll be winning more categories with highest vote.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So that is how the outstanding counts.
Kululu be any baby because I've heard complaints. People are saying I was schemes there. It's how different is it going to be? Very open. You see, with the one you did, the achievement was beautiful. I think it was clear. Obia who said me winning. This is my vote. Sana will say
there were performances. It's vote kakra. Then what you can do and it's okay. But when you end 70-30,
okay,
70% voting, then 30 no ebe share
academy no
discretion. How well you are doing in the industry.
So with this, and also Mubema are very open. So when I enter the website or maybe I move devote me maybe how I will say, okay, so my company is doing well and I've been voting. People have been voting for me. It's no matter me maybe I say chat bar and say this is where I am. BBC.
And I think the last day in Okrampono, the chat bar should be presented to the audience.
Okay.
Now you say echo. That is why it's in a voting form. It's open say or nominate no area keep voting.
Right.
Keep voting.
Yeah, and every 2 weeks be a voting chat in about
every 2 weeks we are.
Every 2 weeks.
When move be for how long voting?
Okay, so nomination will be closed on the 13th of June.
Okay.
We are closing nomination. So voting will start on the 15th of June. Then we close voting on 23rd of June.
Mm.
So then the final show is on 30th July.
Almost
voting will be closed on 23rd of July, so it's a month.
It's even more than a month.
Yeah, more than a month. Yeah, more than a month. Right. So far, how are the nominations going?
Cool.
Right. Nice. Cool. Nice.
But now cannot. Don't demean yourself.
Exactly.
Say, Papa, we also. No. Every grandpa, you're sporting a source, but in your and one hour of you are doing equally or more than what he's doing.
Maybe I don't know a larger audience.
You see,
it's in the
you see,
but one half an hour shall say, right? So I know this young guy, he's a Nigerian, a friend Christian in Chuma.
Okay.
He's into shoes and things. Or started a kit will be. Many the home come on, and then he showed interest. Say, Obaba Johnny, a friend Christian in Chuma. Okay. He sells shoes near there, but on the question, you see, so he was scared. Say, okay, so me being a foreigner, I just came to order starting business in Kiti, and there are people here, Moton, Noma, and they are big, they are large, they are, all over. Who knows me? Who is even going to vote?
So it's a different advantage to the guy. Say, own competition with any smaller company, and I said in quote, Ubia Ubia, man can ya forgive me for that. When you become competition, who say the pacono or you're large, a builder up, a more recognition, it sells you out. And you know, on the other hand, no, you see a promote Ubia individual be not or you're because you nominate you know or flyers be called out on all social media handles. Call out in what sense? In what you are doing?
Promotion.
No. And you know, so why we need pa? Maybe a years back you were selling 1,000 pieces of shoes. After the program, you should be able to sell 2,000 pieces of shoes within a month. And you know, you perceive a boabia. Individual one rely on a buying so one more braboni bia one year anything negative in the society. But what will be a man in Sakona? Come on, it's a plus. It's a plus.
Right.
So, I say, how many government radio stations do we have in Ghana?
Ghana, I think it's just GBC, no more. Every region, we are more one.
And Jimmy Fan said, say, Munina, more media men, more fall on government media. I can see Anka Munina more heaven. You see, but thanks be to God, say, Udi said, let me do something to help myself and the society. Now you are here. Look at the way that you are doing. It's a plus. And minim platform between Ghana won't mean so. But when you say platform, where will you be? And you know, Sani, channel. Say, I declare to be our year at your one corner. No, you perceive more recognition. Now, yes, answer choice here near so push it hard, do it more. And succeed for us.
Next time I have more for DJs in Ghana because my DJ is a very good DJ and I need I'll start attention spotlights a ton of sweet
program with Brewe.
Okay.
It's more let's get involved. Once I now but we are
that issue I think I'll say your first it's any time near discussing this issue because
now at the end of the day they will never see the positives of what we are doing.
Negative.
Only the negative.
This is OD.
And I'm part of food entrepreneur of the year. Food entrepreneur of the year, no, and on hospital can see, Liberty can see, lenders, all those people. They fall under it. And you know, it's open for everybody.
Kobe Street.
Baby, Sabu, Hono did.
Yeah, Sabu, we did no. I can't say. Kapai's opposite. Yeah, I'll go to him myself. Say, Master, one PK for my evacuation. Can say.
Or hear about the guy on Facebook. Also, the girlfriends also don't watch it. I don't know.
Sure. Or never watching the other. So.
You're made in Ghana, and you're entrepreneur of handiwork near all those things.
Made in Ghana, no. Obi a sobolo. Or branding or bottom more than a logo after telephone numbers. We need those people.
Okay. See, maybe my many mama. As I'm now can a free advert at the man of me.
Yeah.
Maybe I just saw Asana. And I did start to be my medium refugee, a white, and I did womb.
Okay, I can't say. I cry out traffic. Burkina.
Yes. My first time with the and me Philip.
Yeah.
My patros who so ya be sa Burkina. Sobolo ice kenki ni adia o stick a bon number bon
one the camera.
But pick forms no. In a way, no, you advertise with the man, no.
Sure.
It's no one's over Hanum Nafi contract from baby. Hey, me wedding be over says is a brand of picky. Now let's talk about tomorrow. Watch now. You made mention of cultural display.
Yeah.
And then aside no artists be performing. And I say it's just the culture.
Oh, once a corporate event. Yeah, concentration is on bringing the businessmen together.
Okay.
Until Obabi, I have a perception say you're coming to create contact with business people. At the end of the day, this guy Eba. What am I focusing on more aside any side attraction, being it cultural display or whatever. Young fire motive no in she say ebia one point money need rather share a confifuri what did they do? They are into roof kind of say roofing.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. If you compare me, then be minimum you be to a boss with your money, and now be to on the contract, be many percentage, right? So the percent on they are doing focus on
also
a home not very well.
Not just our channel, it's all about connection, like making friends and
with the big men.
Get with the big men. Yes. Exactly. Into our channel, if you want to bomba, if you want to rank it with the big men, and not just say about how them say no entry fee.
Oh no,
free. I also watch I'm paying for almost I'm paid the giddy
David.
So what said despite that you Udia and can say was a club bumbuncha. No,
sure.
Something cool.
Sure. I am I'm sure saying you know better. I'm very sure he might come this evening.
Okay.
Say one body meeting but be sure say he might come. On my channel number.
Okay.
Because company he has a lot of companies.
We know about it.
And I think some pick form and mamo. You nominate him.
Okay.
Now must compete.
No problem.
So vote no just salary na ka the half year voting.
No problem, No problem, Now my final words now for
okay. And see, it's an entrepreneurs awards here. Royal Avenue Production and a day a buy. And you know, young watch now we're expecting everybody. And you're limiting it to be a big people and also be everybody can be a part of it. And I'm part of for anybody or person or sponsor program and so it's allowed. Yeah, person sponsor program na bit me afre 054901593 054901593 and I'm patronum watch nano. Yeah, you be introducing new products ewo ho. Yeah, in Siofu fry emba or Danyambo we are introducing that beverage tomorrow.
Bibi any consider kan omoba no pehwe.
Special surprise. Tomorrow we have a lot of things for everybody. To obi am pass it to nyam watch na be 2 o'clock there. One day be episode e be 1 year by that time.
Oh, okay.
So just come.
I'm seeing some Aqua Gold.
Yeah.
Reginald Ventures.
Yeah,
are they the official sponsors?
Yes, please.
So far.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe I told you on Facebook. Ube hu ni American wasem Eastern Entrepreneur Hours. Artwork is a very nice
Yeah. Very nice. He's doing very well.
We just anya grown ebedi. Yeah.
And you want for be on so fine. Of course say he has arrived. Do I need this? Until you unpick nomination, we will come to you.
Exactly.
Because maybe what do na me who say what display awards our table so name no obeka no budget time no obeka now increase it because you are a big person already. People even pay money to buy an award. Yeah. So they should get involved with this.
Right. Just imagine say overall na mounted a giant billboard. There was a stadium junction. Oh, this is that.
Right.
Mama in patronize. What said you are down your class? Yes, Remo.
Right. And the last time about Obi send a question.
Okay.
Oh, this guy. But my main kind of head. Or see, what can I say? Large billboard. Billboard no ye hu bi we no is it going to be the LED one ni bi no you may we say to light
any LED one ni bi we can lie to our viewers or our listeners.
True.
Yeah, you be normal one ni bi very very nice artwork.
Na billboard abi is expensive enye nketo obo yeah na 3 okroma
kese pa
ni bi
yeah
kese pa ni bi nia former MC who ya mo de ya mount bi man no kese pa ni bi.
Oh, they are runabout hono.
Very well.
Okay.
Ya ma o miensa.
Oh, wow.
Na odane ne mpata mu nyina ehu se say adwuma we bi okrom hanom say.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. We ba your number ni bi e bi no person sponsor na.
054901593. 054901593. Your nice packages.
And so Edma, we ba your person follow me social media.
And so on Facebook, Eastern Entrepreneurs Awards. On Instagram, Eastern Entrepreneurs Awards. Sorry. On YouTube, Eastern Entrepreneurs Awards. Yeah.
All right. But you are forcing. This girl, she's a hot girl.
Oh yeah.
She's the first.
Oh yeah, Bema.
She's the first. See you back over here. All right.
And to come up.
You met in a program and you made the
over there.
The program is for Royal Avenue. Program and you made the
that's it. All right. So those were the officials of Eastern Entrepreneur Awards. About so launching about Nyakoponya the Mochna. Our Emmanuel Presby Church Hall.
Good to go.
Alright, so 93.3 of 37 after 11. My country was there, I have 2 interviews and I'm done with one. Right now. But still, I check tickets and don't worry, yeah. But send me check tickets, Edema Nipa Miensa. My check ticket, I'm Nipa Miensa, you know, alright, so I have in the house Stepaku Cats, I think. That is the name, right?
Yes.
Stepaku Cat, but Michelle.
Pacho, which one am I? Yeah, really shut down. Yeah.
At the end,
a Komabu program.
Oh, fourth, now Val's Day.
Yeah.
Right, me who picture no. Flyer no, I know this guy. So when I call a friend didn't go, I was like, me kaidin. So when I saw the picture, I was like, me shaga with that. Maybe I will call.
Daddy, maybe I will call.
Me who watch him so.
Daddy, me so me dreaming now said that could be. Ubachina no interview me and I'm doing so abem.
Now Stepaku Cat, you've been doing music for a very long time now. You do more than say rap, so we are. So what's your field? Is it rap or singing?
Okay, that millionaire rap.
Rap
like yeah, rap name more.
Rap now we are in the chopper. You see my producer, he loves rappers.
Oh, okay.
Or rappers surprise. You know, we be any other person who can be big kakra.
Only problem cry. Yeah. TKC in the building. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Charlie, nowadays I need the money first. Me you pay me, you want to see me roll. Now you want to beg. And my mom rushing go the kind first. If I check your lines, your rhymes, send it to the lab. I don't do this thing everywhere I go. Me empty and me everywhere you go. I did do one for my boys who won't make a blow. TKC day here, okay, I go take them low. Yeah, if you really they release the better bass. Fat pican to none chain, now very last. Obinchila can sack, send me feeling a bruta, yeah, why I cry or my pass. It's still with your boy, how I go fi carry last. Miti boom, a bomb sing a solid jazz. May ya dinner with Jan as a winter me can. Ebiana when no bomb, Betty has. What do you boy, Charlie, how you go fi stop me? Then you can't show me. Some may ya dinner with Jan as a winter me can.
Charlie, thank you, sir. Hold back. Betty has. You're holding me.
Okay. Yeah, some may ya dinner Jan as a winter me. Okay. Yeah. Say me ya dinner with Jan as a winter me can. Ebiana when no bomb, Betty has. What do you boy, Charlie, how you go fi stop me? Miti boom, a bomb sing a solid jazz.
Right, so stuff a cool cat in the house. Or see the two bombs are solid jazz. Hey, what's my pile?
Okay. See, your famous stepper, the one and only illest rapper. And my woman bear, we are seeing helper. A community made them a son and Sumini Dama. I made the better to be a Ghana. Take your mind back, make I in my primary school. Minimadi and some men casa, I am always school. She need to mess up Menya Patapa and Sudebiana Misha one corner, Missy ODT or Chame Kwame or Boa big up to the brothers. Challenge easy a biddy and a biddy Dallas. Between me said that she began a better men can intimate for payment on my life in your short adverts. My bread, Mama Yankana, my bread. That's the
Bass. Uncle Pro now is life in your short adverts.
Sharp.
Hey, Charlie, I use them in new sham temper.
Oh, that, me rich now. A comavo, me boss in your comavo.
Oh,
yeah, music teacher into one occasion or Bena one day.
According to me, but I am here because only made in Como be a today will be the last day I might see you.
Yeah, internal.
But I am here. No, I am here. Matikasa. It's what's your name? How many songs and what you?
Okay, my fan say a bad mistakes. They say ebia obi beat there like. And they must say be so. Yeah, by me single no there. Be 10. Yeah.
Right. Sisi yeah be promote and I say be show or brand new song.
Yeah.
I don't know say where your first time play. What about radio super?
Okay, Sunday na you call Hit FM.
Okay.
Accra and your boy
Poncho.
Nah, Mr. Enig.
Poncho ni Ignic.
Yeah, Poncho. Yeah, DJ Poncho ni Ignic. Yeah.
Right. Okay. You know, this is the second time I go Eastern Region, and I say Eastern Region. This is the first time.
Eastern Region, the first time. In time, person now
no problem. Message be from Rejoice Efia Bim. She's a lover of good music. Or say, come now, the guy is good. Also, you're good. Message or the mom she see any. Right. You know, and you're tight together.
And you tight here one kind of home.
On kind of home.
There be.
As one kind of their free.
Yeah, we need swagger on kind of home.
But how is now when you almost all be our swag? Are they your managers or they are your road managers?
They are my brothers.
Oh, okay.
I'm supporting me.
Okay. And you know, officially, uni level there.
There be. Yeah, you push hard.
Right. Hey, me who be with the vortic. You be to say different colors. Hey, boys. A different color. My fathers are. Alright, it's your introduction to the song on Kaya Hona for your fan too.
Okay. Sharp. We are in Ahinkan 93.3. This is the brand new single from Stepper Kukat, One Kaya Hon.
Free power. Right.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
Yeah.
I love Chris Rich.
21st century bad boy. I didn't see. Yeah. TKC to 6 feet. Okay. My name is JC Trato so Futu Piani who I get you sit down, yes, baby, I will shed your power, baby. The Bema for dam, Obesebu, the best century way. Nana ya cantam, say a sumo. I just say simple, I pray from Yeti to Toya, cause again, on your kuto, code their location, when the will be pure. I make say don't see money, and Brateria to Totani, Trato swab, ADC family, AG, me standing, your papa fan, and your map, boys are Shasha, Sniff ya Fifi, Waha, and we have been intimate standing, your papa fan, and your map, boys are Shasha, Sniff ya Fifi, Waha, and we have been. Mini pizza working rapping, I'm over here, and a crab by a G and Nissa or here. We no fear face coming round, my man. I am when he said I move. Mini pizza working trapping, I'm over here, and a crab by a G and Nissa or here. We no fear face coming round, my man. Like you, when you say uni swag, uni do, uni guy, uni dope, uni swag, uni do, uni guy, uni dope, yeah.
The mid-morning show. The mid-morning
21st century bad boy. Super cool cats. Okay, next verse. Yeah. Jenichi won't see anytime. Okay, I'm my air crime. Mommy for no fear, send your biggest newest town. Sister, me pese me real sister. Shape you say be na me pen on would they be Franca. Make my family say baby boss. It's me one na yentin to so. Please Alina free advice on your body yes and a echo. Yeshia Musabo de, Yakoji and ya befie. I'm see entefo. Na TP when you say woolly. TKC boys, yeah, they blog. Me name me gang, no they flop. Feeling station, yeah, trade job to Tasia Fire, Pussy Cut. TKC boys, yeah, they blog. Me name me gang, no they flop. Feeling station, yeah, trade job to Tasia Fire, Pussy Cut, yeah. Mini pizza, where they trapping, I'm over here. And they can crab by a G and he say, we no fear face coming round, I mean. I like you when you say can move. Mini pizza, where they trapping, I'm over here. And they can crab by a G and he say, we no fear face coming round, my man. I like you when you say uni swag, uni do, uni guy, uni dope, uni swag, uni do, uni guy, uni dope, yeah. Mini pizza work it trapping now, and they can crab by a G and he say, we no fear face coming round, my man. I like you when it's a move. Pizza work it trapping now.
Like this, or see many boys filling station in your church or 20 hours. That is almost one day.
I saw the day and
see I like you. Hi, Stephen, Charlie, you are too good. Trust me.
Thank you, Daddy.
No, like very good.
Thank you, Daddy.
Very good, but best you have said this answer. Come on, trust me. Other music to the world, these guys will blow. Of course, Charlie, I mean, Empire, boy, it go be you, eh?
Thank you, Daddy.
Trust me, like it go be you. It go be you.
Thank you, Daddy.
This one says, he's good, Papa. I'm Posse, right? So Posse sent in this one. This one says, good morning, Kwabena. Who is the guy? What is his name? Oh, say about it.
Stepper Cool Cards.
Okay, messages are one there for Premier League. Stepper, how do we get to know you properly, like on social media?
Okay, IG Stepper at Stepper_Coolcat, and FB here Stepper Coolcat.
Do you know what you're say?
STE Stepper near STEPPER. And a Coolcat near KULLCAT.
Coolcat, a Jamano Ho Joanna, a
Jamano Ho Jobo Hadrian.
This guy is very interesting. Like, I am here. No, like, let me be very honest with you. I am here. Like I think I call frame earlier. Like a vibe, like in that time, the vibe more than. And then, yeah, I am here. Right, it's a new way. Okay,
Audio Mark. So, what Stepper Coolcat? Me baby, yeah, it's about a banwa follow. Now we're streaming man.
Not just streams now Adwuma can large on like when you want to be account.
In Pacific account. Yeah, and then 3 days spend at 20.
Okay. Who are YouTube channel we?
Patchmo YouTube channel. Yeah, and I say yeah, Stepper Cookart. Yeah, Uber Stepper Cookart.
Stepper now when you shows book room there.
Okay, me fair subwa enti me who do there every Easter ne Xmas be there. And you be na organize show man. Yeah, me name boys here. Yeah, na organize show. Enti say anyi show or dia obi no be show. Yeah, and I come out so or you show or dan bia or the meto so. Me hu sha I come out ya on family to so.
Later me busa ask question say o craft we in craft there was obo free shows. Like for real. Because I mean, you can compare the Asaka. I mean, the same thing. What you say? So when you craft, I was all the trample free shoes. Charlie next year there was all Jiska.
That didn't patch on.
No, for real.
It's cancelled by.
If I told him this is my package, I want to let them go because of course today I say Jiska.
Yeah, Jiska.
Of course, it's home to me. I let them go and with this one day will be better. Can you blow? Trust me.
Thank you, Daddy.
You blow. Charlie, last words, Uncle.
Okay. Obioti in kan FM bia autie Stepper Cookart bia nyame hraw na mo koso na mo support yen kakra bia enye sikasem e bia de link SN mo ayden mo share my na mo stream my na ya gidin a ni na ya odan na
right me person me check ticket into wa ba free bia no can be check Stepper mama na me check ticket me check 3 tickets nyame ya Adwuma Sunday March 0554820910 0554820910 so boy na ya da ka chen so ya de mo ntunya ne de you so kasa free.
Hello,
good morning. You're from Sokasa Free.
Morning. You're from D10.
D10. You're from D10.
D10.
Okasa Free Subua. D10 I mean to you.
Taxi driver
right. Sunday wait how much Genevieve?
Oh, Sunday there's something there's not a general account.
And then what you do near on this step on Casa.
Oh yeah, then I was step there. Na me no kwani ne na na wo. So you're supporting the car. No.
Yeah. What's it? Obe film. You're from Sokasa Free. Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, you're from Sokasa Free.
That's the taxi driver.
And catch you step our hand in income.
Hello.
And catch you at one can only in income step our.
Yeah. That's not talking guy. So one buy a man saying, okay. That's it. I'll go. I tell you why.
What's the problem?
That's the boss.
I have 500 tickets back. Why?
Me for you.
Okay, and catch you. Right, you're from Sokasa Free.
Okay, MP.
Hey, MP. Yo. What do you mean my tickets? But can we be chatting, mommy?
Oh, I good. I heard that you're calling you.
Right.
Thank you, Daddy.
Right, that's it. You're from Sokasa Free. Posiji me my tickets, Casa. Posi me ma Casa.
Guy no, we good papa. That talent you now want to know the pesa.
Oh, I is okay. That
yes, opportunity.
That's me, that's boss.
Yeah, me do take it in why.
You the budget why? Right, but before one call, you tell this one. You're from Sokasa Free.
Hello,
you're from Sokasa Free.
Mr. Costy,
motion, what to say? Right, what's your mommy too?
Hard. When it's bad,
motion, Abraham, why? Why? Okay, me for cause be ticket my champions no. Stepper.
Daddy.
Go for so yadi. Second person is sorry, I think the fourth person was it. No shame. We see that's a Michelle guy be very good. I say or around the palm, but who they had an to member one thing. I didn't know when to member.
Okay, Daddy. So you say see a street boy a hustle. Yeah, and I see so Ghana then. Into recording any video shooting na in then. mulaya ha inti kakra bi ba ne de bibi kakra to kakra ba ne de so inti na inti nye bibi mom once e ma bonten no inti nya support kakra dia ha ni bit me bibi fast
right obi aba my fan de that ti wa ne nkasa your friends kasa friend
but nkasa su kudiarubua
kudodai
kudiarubua
eno wa even
anu kudiarubua bo
okay pacho ma inti o ye last call for ko bi
but you are the omani amishano no kwending
that's it.
Amen. Right, yati stepper
daddy
Charlie, me my doors are always open for you.
Okay.
Any day, any time, just give me a call. Release me just oda me me email ebe ma me be na fa to me email na ma me nya we say oda tum why be nia yeah call it no once again no final words now for yam proper chain na course ne but I don't think say be for course because alasha okay producers have for you
okay big shout to Charlie Esubua Charlie Esubua manso asene abo da Charlie obi bi otim ya tikesi phone na Charlie nyamisha obia because me body in there at the betchen
right
bless up
right okay yeah coffee tin step cook out say kasa me ba chomo streaming nyom no audio mark also boss step cook out obenya anti go there and stream his new song on kan ho shabo mami tie sa nyom bi on kan ho
I love
the mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day. The mid-morning show. The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
To 6 feet. Okay. My name is Jesse Trato so a footio piani who I yes sit down, yes, baby, I will shake your power, baby. The Bema for dam, Obesebu, the best century way, Nana Yakantam, say a so wing, I just say simple, that pray from Yeti to toe, your Costa again on your kuto, code location, quando will be pure. That makes it on Simon, Ellen, Brate, we are to Tottenham, Trato swab, baby, a TKC family, into me standing, the Papa fan, and ye my baby, boys are mixia shas ne fia fefe wo ha emboya bem intimi stande ye kwa fafa ene ma pegu yem boys are mixia shas ne fia fefe wo ha emboya bem mini pizza we ke trapping amo he ene ka kraba ye chi eni se o he me no fear face come na o mame see I like you when you say tambu mini pizza we ke trapping amo he ene ka kraba ye chi eni se o he me no fear face come now mama see I like you when you say come ni swag one kind ho uni do one kind ho when you guy one kind ho when you dope one kind ho uni swag one kind ho uni do one kind ho when you guy one kind ho when you dope one kind ho yeah okay
right so yeah coffee your friend Jenny me champion boat in Casmo so bet my friend Jibruz money my friend check here enkoma
me pese me wi o sister
abena afrakoma utie la je wo ye achimbodua referee nimsi say your don kwa the coffee me Jenny me champion boat in Casmo yankopon ya mo twa Friday be showbiz 923 macro bia ko me kom sambrani football to gbonu mo o twa be wo